Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. Today is going to be a busy day. I'm installing the copper scuppers, which will be on a different video. And I got to open up this doorway here, unscrew that OSB. So I have access to my stuff in there, nice and dry. While I'm waiting for that roof to dry completely, I'm going to start installing the foam Rainscreen on this side. Okay, the OSB is off and it is toasty warm in here. I had this heater going for the last couple hours to warm up the deck up there for the scupper install. I'll let a little cool in now. It's warming up fairly quick. It got down to, I believe it was 31 last night. And I think there's still frost on the ground. Nope. Oh, just a hair of frost left. It's warming up real quick. With this, I have everything already cut, and I need to really barrel ahead with this. So what I'm going to do is just do a time lapse of this whole thing. I need to go on the other side and pull off all those cleats as I go though, but I think I'll just pull off enough to do a panel, then come here, put a panel on, and so on and so forth. So let's get going. Okay, that'll wrap it up for today. I have the top and the bottom on, so I have this chunk, a little strip here, and a strip at the end. Eventually these will get a strip as well, but not happening soon. So if you want to see this stuff, I think I'll be doing it tomorrow if the weather cooperates. I hope to get this finished and do the entire back tomorrow. The back is the easiest of them all because it's all mostly just full panels. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon so you're notified when I post the videos. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give us a thumbs up, that would help the channel greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.